Part 2. Reviewing changes to revised documents. Once additional reviewers provide their responses, you will receive an email notification. To see any changes, click on the Open in Portal button. Go to My Response and then click on the Additional Reviewers here. You can now see the responses they have provided. You have the option to change the view from Show All Reviewers to Show Only Additional Reviewers, which will show only the response from the consolidator of the reviewers. Clicking on the document will allow you to review the markups that were created by the additional reviewers. As the drawing was approved by the consolidator, there is no need to see that this markup was added by a different reviewer. To eliminate any confusion, we can simply delete this markup as it is no longer relevant. Click on the Delete icon and then Yes to confirm. Click the Back button and you will see only the consolidator's response remains. Now, to add your response, click on the My Response tab and choose a response from the drop-down list. If you prefer, you can summarize all the responses from all the reviewers by clicking the checkbox next to the document, then select Summarize Responses here. Click OK, and we see that since the consolidator approved this drawing, the response is set to approve. If, for example, you had one approved and one rejected from the additional reviewers, the consensus response would be rejected. Looking at the responses that have been provided so far, we see only one document has not yet been responded to. In this example, we will go ahead and approve this drawing. Clicking on Send Responses will deliver your responses to the creator of the package. Next, we will show how to review, verify, and approve changes in the new revision of the previously rejected drawing. Once the revised drawing has been submitted to you, you will receive an email notification. Click on the Open in Portal button and acknowledge the package. Here you can now see the transmittal package has a suffix added to reflect the new version. Clicking here allows you to go back to the previous version as required. Next, click on the My Response tab. Here we see the new version of the original plan. Click on the plan to open and you now see the original issue overlaid on top of the new version of the drawing, and we can clearly see the missing dimensions were added. Clicking on the issue in the right navigation allows you to update the issue to verify as resolved. For more complex cases, it may be necessary to perform graphical comparisons of two revisions of drawings. To do this, click on the panel icon at the top left of the screen, then navigate to the folder of the drawings you wish to compare. Then click Version History. Now you can compare the active version you have open to the previous version. Next, click Compare. Rotate the document if necessary. This will overlay the active version of the drawing over the previous version and highlight all of the changes in red. When done, click Back. Next, choose the appropriate response from the drop-down list. In this case, we'll approve this drawing. Click Send Responses, then confirm by clicking Send Responses here. We now see 0 open issues against this drawing, as well as 1 closed issue, which has been resolved. Clicking on Review Response History provides visibility into the entire response history associated with this submission.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.